Hi guys, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. It's day 3, day 4, I can't remember, in the horse trailer repair series. So today we're going to throw a coat of primer on it and we'll see how far we get.
Let's get started.
Alright, we got the inside primed. Not worried about these walls, there's wood that goes on those. So, and then of course there's a floor that goes in it too. Went ahead and painted some of this stuff down here and tried to get some of the rust stopped. I don't think we're going to do much good, but might help a little bit. Alright, got most, probably 75% of the outside primed. I realized my hose for my paint gun was not long enough, so I ended up having to stop right there. Got to get another hose, and my gun started leaking, so I'm gonna have to get another gun. It's a cheap $15 Harbor Freight gun, so not too worried about that. So far so good. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this one. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell icon. That way the next horse trailer video you'll get a notification. See ya.